toy was fun on the carpet, but on the tile floor, it is a blast. He's been going around in circles for 10 minutes. Yay! You are gonna sleep well tonight, kid. He's so heavy, he can drag the whole thing with him. I wasn't talking about you. You're light as a feather. Yay! Go, go, go! You're winning the race! Oh, he's gonna hate seeing this when he's older. Keep going, kid! You're almost there! Hi! Did you get there? Oh, nope. Alright, see you later. Say bye-bye.